Hello everyone. Today we are going to have a session on types of mechanical dryers. Before entering into the different types of mechanical dryers, first of all we should know what is drying. Drying is nothing but the removal of water or moisture from the foods is called as drying. In mechanical drying systems, mechanical dryers are used to remove water from wet foods by forcing either ambient air or heated air through the wet foods. The drying process is terminated when the desired final moisture content is reached. So each foods will have its own desired final moisture content. So depending upon that, we can use this mechanical dryers, and wherever we want, the different types of dryers can also be used for different types of foods. So now we are going to see about different types of mechanical dryers. These are all the dryers usually available in the industries to dry the food. Example: cabinet dryer, tunnel dryer, kiln dryer, spray dryer, drum or roller dryer, vacuum dryer. These are all different types of mechanical dryers available in the industries. So first we can see the cabinet dryer or tray dryer. This is called as the cabinet dryer or tray dryer. So it consists of the large wooden metal box. The air passes through the air duct into the drying chambers, and drying trays containing the food is placed inside the drying chambers. The moist air is discharged through the air vents at the top of the column. As the air enters below the bottom tray, this tray will dry first. This is called as the cabinet dryer. And in this type of dryers, different food grains, that is all the solid food grains or solid foods, can be dried by using this cabinet dryer. Next one is the tunnel dryer. Tunnel dryer is a modified form of the tray dryer in which oven is replaced by a tunnel. The material to be dried is entered at one end. Whatever the material we are going to dry, it should be entered at one end, and the dried material is collected from the other end of the tunnel. This is called as the tunnel dryer. In this also, the solid food grains or food, whatever the solid foods, can be dried by using this tunnel dryer. Next dryer is kiln dryer. It consists of the two-floor building with a burner located on the ground floor. In second floor, the wet material is spread in an even layer, that is 0.1 to 0.2 meter deep or depth. The humidified air is passed and the product is turned regularly to promote uniform drying. Example: we can dry the apple rings, and also the malted foods can be prepared by using this kiln dryer. This is an example for the kiln dryer. So you can see the 2 floors or 3 floors in this type of dryers, and in these floors we can dry the food substance. Next type of dryer is spray dryer. Foods can be spray dried by spraying the liquid into a current of dry heated air. So in this type of dryer, the liquid foods can be dried. It is used for drying solutions and also the slurries. Example, we can take the milk powders. Milk powders can be dried, or milk can be dried and converted into the form of the milk powder by using this spray dryer. The advantage of this spray dryer is it requires only very short time. It retains the color, flavor and nutritive value of the food. So all the liquid foods can be dried by using this spray dryer. So this is the dryer that is usually available in the market for drying all the milk and the milk products, and also for the liquids, for drying the liquid foods. Next one is the drum or the roller dryer. In this drum or roller dryer, liquid foods like purees, paste and mashes are applied in a thin layer on the surface of a revolving heated drum. It is used to concentrate the juices and purees of fruits and vegetables. So all the fruit purees and paste or mashes can be applied over the heated drum, and using the heat the moisture will be removed and only the powders can be collected, and powders in the form of the flakes can be collected. So example, we can prepare any type of flakes, and all the baby foods can be dried by using this drum or the roller dryer. Here you can see the picture for the drum or the roller dryer. And in this only the paste or they will be applied over this drum, and this drum will be rotated and heat is passed over this drum, and after it gets dried the slurries will be removed by from this drum. So all the flakes can be, or the any powders or paste purees can be applied over this drum, and we can get the powders in the form of the flakes. Next type of drying is vacuum drying. This type of drying is also one of the latest drying, and removal of the moisture from the food products takes place under low pressure. This allows drying temperature to be reduced and higher quality to be obtained. Vacuum expands air and water vapor present in the food products and creates a frothy or puffed structure in the food products. It requires only less energy and hence greater energy efficiency and improved drying rates, and also in some cases less shrinkage of the product will take place. And these are all the advantages of using the vacuum drying, and this is called as the vacuum dryer. This is also one type of vacuum dryer. And all the fruits can be dried by using this type of vacuum dryers. So high quality vacuum dried fruits can be available in the market by using this type of dryers. So students, you have studied about the different types of dryers and what all the foods can be dried by using the different types of dryers. I think this will be useful for you to get an understanding about all the different types of dryers. Thank you for your patience listening.